What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be working on this 2011 Toyota Camry. This applies to a 07, 08, 09, 2010 and 2011 Toyota Camry. We're actually gonna be working on the headlights. This one's burnt out and this one's pretty good still, but has a stock halogen yellow light bulb. They are H11, and we're gonna be switching it with Lasfit LED lighting, H11 LED bulb. And right now I'm gonna show you how they look at night, and I will show you step by step on how to change out the bulbs. Pretty simple task. Enjoy. All right, these are the stock lights. They look white, but they're actually yellow, and the other side is burnt out, but you can probably see right there a little better. We're gonna be replacing those lights and making them white LED. All right, so we're gonna be putting on the Camry Lastfit LED lighting. It's gonna be an H11 bulb. There's a manual. So what's pretty cool about these, plugs right in, has a fan that keeps it cool, and strong LED beams that come out of it. And it should have a nice pattern with the projector. Let me show you how to put it on. All right, so the first bulb is gonna be the driver's side. It's gonna be right here. This is towards the projector. Just twist and pops out. Really easy. There's a little clip. You clip it, it comes out. Pass me up. Yeah. It's really simple. It's literally plug and play. And put it in. And that's it. Then you put it back in, twist, and it should be in. The really cool thing about these is that they have their own seals, so it actually prevents the rain coming in, which is pretty cool. So we'll do the other side now. Okay, for this side it'll be the same thing. Twist. Oop. It pops off. Remember, these are H11 bulbs for the 2007 to 2012, actually 2011 Camry. So 07 to 11, it's gonna be these bulbs. And so once you put the new one, make sure you test them before you actually put them on. Give me 1 second. So you put them on and you gotta test them before you actually put them in the housing. See, so I actually turned them on, but it does not turn on. So what you do is you flip this around. So it's polarity sensitive. See? Now it turns off. So you can hear the fan working. It's really bright and it's daytime, so imagine. And you put it back in. It's really simple. You just gotta make sure You line up the little hooks and it's in. I'll show you guys a night shot once it gets dark. All right guys, here's the finished product. You really can't tell. This is really bright, but the white LEDs are on. Just look how bright it is. It goes really far. It's a really cool upgrade. So we fixed the burnt out bulb and give the car a good little look. The camera does not do any justice whatsoever. It's way too bright. But there you go. It's an LED installation. Alright guys, very simple upload today. Wanted to post a video that will help out a couple people per request. And down below I'll link the link to the Lasfit light bulbs that I use it on all the cars I work on. Very good quality and they last very long and very easy to work with. Please guys, like and subscribe down below for future content on the channel. Thank you.